Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your identity because Google protects accounts. This avoids lockouts later. Sign and add accounts. Google.com using your current Gmail and password and complete two-step verification if prompted. Make sure your recovery phone or secondary email is accessible. They'll be used to confirm changes. Once signed in, go straight to the personal info section to prepare for address edits or account transfer. This initial verification step prevents interruptions and speeds up the next actions. You now change or add email addresses. Open personal info, then contact info and choose email. If adding an alternate, enter the address and confirm the verification code Google sends. This proves ownership. To change a primary Gmail address, note that many accounts don't allow renaming, so you may need to create a new Google account and migrate mail, Drive files, and settings. Use Google Takeout or share ownership for Drive to move data. These steps preserve continuity while complying with Google's rules. You finish by reviewing security and recovery settings to make sure the new address is listed, two-step is active, and old contacts are removed. Then migrate data. Import mail via Gmail's import feature, transfer Drive files by changing ownership or using Takeout, and update any third-party logins that use the old email. If you encounter errors or account blocks, run the account recovery flow, provide verification details, and contact Google support if necessary. This ensures a clean, secure transition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.